Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to make a conference call in Skype. Open Skype app. Go to the left side panel. Click on the phone icon. You will see a list of people you can Skype call. If you have a group ready, select it from the list. If you click on the participants under the group name, a new window will open. You can see the people in the group chat. Click on Start Call. The conference call will begin. You can also start a conference call another way. Select the chat group that you need from the left side conversations list. Click on the Call button at the top right corner of the window. The call will begin. You will see at the bottom left side of the window who joins the call and who does not. If you don't have a pre-made group chat, you can still call a group of people. Go to the left side panel. Click on the phone icon. Click on New Call. A new window will open. There's a check circle available next to every contact. Check the person you want to call with. You can select multiple contacts. Click on Call once you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!